Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I think today is day 11 and I kind of wanted to do something fun for this video. So for today, for the Beautymas series here on the YouTube channel, we are going to be doing full face of viral TikTok makeup hacks. So I actually have the entire face done right now. So I'm going to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to do it in the order where how I usually do my makeup. So I'm going to start with the brows. I already primed my face, by the way. So for a brow hack that I found, is they use a brow powder or just a regular eyeshadow, and then they stamp the matching eyeshadow to your brows, and they just stamp it on the brow. But what I am actually going to do is I'm going to take this brow stencil. I'm just going to place it on the just place it and start stamping like that. And the shade that I'm going to use is from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm going to use Rustic. So I'm just going to get like a fluffy brush and I dip into Rustic and then just start. What I like to do is I just use the end of the brow for the stencil, and then the rest of the brow I just like this. I know it looks crazy right now, but we're gonna fix it. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Royal Jelly Boost Micellar Cleansing Water. I'm going to take a Q-tip and just remove the excess eyeshadow that's around the brow. And I like to think about it also of like kind of carving the brows, kinda. I'm just going to open the top. So I'm just going to clean around the brow. Kind of exactly like that, and it worked so well, I can't believe it. So I'm just gonna let that dry, and then we can move on to this eyebrow. I'm gonna do that eyebrow off camera. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna do an eye look really quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so at this point we have to go back to the face. So I'm gonna go back to foundation. So for the foundation hack, we're going to use a glass of water. So I'm going to use a foundation brush for this, and I'm going to squirt. I'm going to squirt some foundation into the water. Okay, and then I'm going to dip my brush into it. What I like to do is I kind of like to wring it out because it's way too wet. I'm just going to dab it on my hand just a little bit just to test it. It's okay. Okay, then I'm gonna actually put the glass of water kind of right under my face, so if there's any kind of water that drops, it can drop into the glass of water. So I'm just putting this on like normal foundation. I just found this hack like a while ago, and I actually really like it. And then I'm going to take a beauty blender and just press the foundation in. Now I can go back to the eyes. Now I'm going to take what's ever left from the foundation on the back of my hand with a blending brush. This one is from Sephora. This is the blending crease brush. I'm just going to kind of stipple and kind of blend the eyeshadow. So I'm first going to blend where I have some eyeshadow in the crease. And And right where the two eyeshadows meet, I'm going to blend this in. Okay, so now I'm going to move into concealer. I kind of did this, also did this hack, but not the full hack, if that makes any sense. So I'm first going to start this under the eyes, kind of like the concealer facelift effect. So I'm going to start under the eye. Forget where. What's this? Sides of the mouth. Was it the mouth? Oh, I think it was. I'm going to take, to blend it, I'm just going to take a brush like this. This is from QC Makeup Academy. I'm just going to blend this all in. Definitely not one of my favorite hacks, but it still works. Okay, now let's move on to blush. So this is one of a more recent hack that I found. So I'm going to take my Honest Beauty cream blush in Coral Peach with my e.l.f. blush brush. I'm going to kind of create a W on my cheeks. So I'm kind of going to start a little bit higher than I normally do. And I like to kind of pat it because that's the easiest, especially with a cream brush like this. I don't have like a blush stick, so that's why I'm using this. I kind of like how that is looking. I really like that effect. But I am going to use the Beauty Blender just to kind of blend it. Okay, this hack I've used for a while now too. So I'm going to take I've done this on my channel a lot too. I'm going to take the Jafra Beauty highlight stick and bubbly. I'm going to use my finger at first. I'm going to take this and place it kind of at the high points of the face first, kind of like right here. This side. And the corner of the eye. Above the arch of the brow. And then with another smaller brush, I'm going to place it under the arch of the brow, on the brow. And then a new place where I actually like to do it still. I kind of like to, once I apply it, I like to kind of use my finger just to blend it. So I had to unplug my light really quick just because I have to plug my blow dry in for this hack, for a eyelash hack. Mascara hack, I mean. So, let's see what my mascara is. Okay, the hack is to heat up your brush curler. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to roll the lashes. Actually, before I go any further with the lashes, I totally forgot to do a mascara hack. I mean, eyeliner hack. So I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in the color Espresso. It's too dark on my lips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as an eyeliner. I'm going to take this really close to the lash line. So I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and I'm going to dip into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to use Central Park, which is this one. I'm just going to smudge that eyeliner that we placed and like smudge it up and out. Okay, we have one eye curled already. I'm going to apply apply the L'Oreal Beautymas Paradise primer. Okay, we're going to let this side dry. I'm going to do this side completely on right back. Okay, next I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Okay, now the last hack that we're going to do today is a lip hack. So I'm going to take the NYX Nude Pink Lip Liner. I'm going to this went better the second time. Because before filming this video, I kind of tested all the hacks just to make sure they're easy to use and just easy to use. So this is not really a hack, but I like to do this. I'm going to use the Jeffree Bark Resin Brow Gel on the brows. That was it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow for day 12. Bye!